It's fall in Dallas, which means cooler temperatures, and it also means prices are going to start cooling off. This house, listed at 3.5 million, has dropped down to 3 million. Let's do a walkthrough on it. This is 6118 Walnut Hill, and it is fantastic. We're going to go in here and look at the garage first. We normally don't start in the garage, but you've got to see this. There's the pantry. This goes into the single car garage. That goes upstairs to the back. You have a laundry room downstairs. A little eat-in area. Full bathroom. And probably one of my favorite parts is the garage. 2-car garage, fantastic floor and lighting. Let's go look at the backyard. This goes into the kitchen. Gorgeous backyard. AstroTurf, so you don't ever have to mow, and it's always green. Swimming pool, super cool area. Great looking house. You got to see the master. Plenty of cabinets that you don't get in a lot of houses today. Great sitting area. That goes upstairs, we'll see that in a minute. It's a super cool master bedroom. So I would say this is probably her office. His office is upstairs. His closet area goes into the master. There's her closet. Beautiful master. Sitting area looks out over. And we go into her water closet, her shower, her vanity, sitting area, bathtub with some beautiful lighting. Then over here we have his shower, his vanity, his water closet. Absolutely gorgeous. That's downstairs. Let's go upstairs. Here you have the guest bedroom. They have their own fantastic shower and bathroom. Their closet. They have their own patio. There's another office. Probably his office. This is storage closet. Another great sitting area. Another great sitting area outside. Come down here. The upstairs laundry room. Bedroom. Media room. More storage, more storage. Here's another bedroom. Closets on the left. Beautiful bathroom over here. More storage. And then another great bedroom at the end. Great closet. Another great bathroom. This is a great house. Fantastic house.